Hello friends. In this video we will look at a different method to calculate HCF. If we have two big numbers and we are not sure about the factors, the common factors, we can use this method to find HCF. It's very simple and gives us the HCF very fast. Let's find HCF of 209 and 247. This is a method which uses division. Now we have to divide the greater number out of these two by the smaller number. So if I divide 247 by 209. So 209 ones are 209 here. And the remainder is 38. Now if you get a remainder, then this divisor now will become the dividend. What we have done is, since we got a remainder, we shifted this divisor as a dividend, and now we are going to divide 209 by 38. You can easily see, so somewhere around 5 times is this number, so 38 5s are 190 and remainder is 19. Still we got remainder, so we'll shift the divisor as dividend. 19 2s are 38, and now this time the remainder is 0. When we get remainder as 0, we stop there and the divisor of that division. So here we got the remainder 0, and in this division divisor is 19, and therefore our HCF is our divisor. Divisor of the division when we are getting remainder as 0, not this divisor, but when we get remainder as 0, that time what was the divisor? 19 is the HCF. Let's take one more example. Find HCF of 516 and 645. Again, which is the bigger? 645. So we will divide 645 by 516. 516 ones are 516. Remainder is 129 is the remainder. Now, because there is a remainder, we will bring the divisor here as the dividend. See here, when we subtracted 516, we got 129. It's a remainder, non-zero remainder, and hence we will shifted this divisor as dividend. Now again, here we can see it's 4 times. So how much is that? 9 4s are 36, 3 carry forward, 12 4s are 48, and 36 is 51. And so now we are getting remainder as 0. And when we get remainder as 0, in that division, what was the divisor? 129. And hence HCF in this case is 129.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.